If you love roller coasters, this video is for you. I'm going to show you the top 5 fastest roller coasters that Dollywood has. Now keep in mind, they have other world-class roller coasters and rides, but on this video we're going to specifically focus on the top 5 fastest roller coasters that you can ride next time you come to Dollywood. Coming in at number 5 at 47 miles per hour is the Dragonflier. This only has a minimum height requirement of 39 inches, so it's going to be great for the whole family. Very fun, very smooth ride. Coming in at number 4 with speeds up to 55 miles per hour is the Thunderhead. The Thunderhead is going to be your classic wooden roller coaster. It's loved by many. As I polled people what's their favorite, this easily made the top 2, 3 spot time and time again. So if you love a good classic wooden roller coaster, make sure you have time to go over and ride Thunderhead. Coming in number 3 on our list with speeds clocking up to 61 miles per hour is a fan favorite, the Wild Eagle. This has been described as a very smooth ride that feels as if you're actually soaring high above the Great Smoky Mountains. Coming in number 2 on our list of the top 5 fastest roller coasters at Dollywood, clocking at 63 miles per hour is the Tennessee Tornado. Now this has been around since 1999 here at the park, and it is still a classic loved by many. It is a force of nature all on its own. It's a triple spiral looping coaster that makes you feel like you've landed inside a funnel cloud as you zoom down a 128-foot drop. So if you're a thrill seeker, you definitely want to add this one to your list as well. Finally, last but not least, not only is this the fastest coaster, but I was also asking people, what is your favorite coaster? And time again, I found this to be the #1 favorite among many people. That is, coming in at speeds up to 73 miles per hour, is the Lightning Rod. The Lightning Rod launches riders from 0 to 45 miles up 20 stories right out of the gate. You continue on down, reaching speeds up to 73 miles per hour on this ride. There's no surprise why USA Today readers have constantly named the Lightning Rod one of the top 10 best roller coasters in the country. Well, that wraps up our look at the top 5 fastest roller coasters at Dollywood. But this is where I'd love to hear from you. Drop in the comments, which of these 5 coasters do you like the most? Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like button and consider subscribing. It doesn't cost you a dime and is a great way to support our efforts to make more videos just like this. We'll see you on the next video.